Hello, in this example we are going to see how we can get title of the current page. So let's create a test method. Test get title of the current page. Get driver and logger instance from nRoBo automatically and get title of the current page. Add a doc string and logger.info. Title of the page equals, so there is a title property of page object. Let's create first page object and pass in driver and logger reference and call the title property of the page object. Run the test. --key test method name. Test started running. Browser instance one up and get the by the way we forget to open the URL, so we need to open the URL. So use the get method and http pypi.org for example, and rerun the test again. Test started running and current browser spun up. Open URL and that's the title. Let's see the report, and this is the title. Bye bye. Thank you.